guys. Back for another video. My phone's probably not going to stay in its location. I'm giving people rides in my Mustang. Some of the reactions were kind of... Before I had a good fuel pump and my tune wasn't very good because it was going lean before. And then some of the reactions are after I got a fuel pump and I did some tuning myself to get the power up a little bit higher on it. But as of right now, the transmission is really bad in the Mustang. I've kind of slid some clips of the Mustang in me doing some polls, and each time you see it misses a gear and it grinds. Transmission's getting pretty bad. Now it's hard to even put into gear just sitting still. So there might be a video coming here soon on that. But here's the reaction videos of when it was on a kind of low power tune. Not really low power, but safe tune. Look. videos of the reaction videos, Joyride videos of when it was on a much more aggressive tune.
Okay, yeah, I can see why you'd be acting a fool with it. The hairs on my mustache are tickling like, oh.
It would have started going a little bit harder if I stayed in longer, but the traffic.
Right.
This thing, the more gears you go, it just keeps going. Straight spinning.
He was like, let's go, let's go. It's weather, don't it?
Like riding in my car, but it just needs a few things to make it even better. But right now we got to address the transmission issue it's got going on, because that's been the main reason I haven't taken it to the track, because I'm pretty sure if it gets traction it's just going to blow apart the transmission. I really haven't wanted to break this transmission. It's still rebuildable right now. But every time I take the car out, I can't help but beat on it. And, you know, there's just no way for me not to do that. So I haven't been taking the car out here recently because the transmission's gotten really bad. Sure how much horsepower we're making right now. I still got to get the car on the dyno. My goal was to get that on the dyno here soon. But we'll see what happens with that. I'm in talks with somebody to try and get the car on the dyno, since I don't personally own a dyno. Sorry if the camera quality is bad. You guys are sitting in my cup holder right now. So not exactly the best for recording, but it's actually staying still pretty good. I also have a video I'm going to insert in here too. We have another Mustang that's green. I don't remember what the color's called. But it is pretty much bone stock. It has a catback on it, and it has 410 gears, and I put my draggy in it just to kind of see what it would run. So here's that clip right here.
Some more flat part.
Go. honestly pretty impressed with how it did, and it lines up with the numbers on Google pretty well. 410 gears clearly give it quite a bit of edge on the 0 to 60. I can't remember if it gave it a good edge on 8th mile time too or not. I'd have to look again, but yeah, honestly, I was pretty impressed. But yeah, this is kind of a random video. Threw some older clips in there and just kind of talking to you guys about what's going on. I should have some more stuff coming out to you guys here soon, but this is kind of a little fill-in for now. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate everybody. Love y'all. Subscribe, like, and comment, and share my videos so I can get out there and people can see all the cool stuff we're doing. See you in the next one.